Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me, everybody. So, we are doing 14 miles. This is going to be the third video where I will be talking about step step 5 and step 6. And if I have time, I will continue with other steps as well. What is 14 miles? It is the 14 things that happened before Sushant's death. Okay, so where Sushant's death story begins, and we saw that the Sushant's death story begins where somebody's life story ends, right? A lady is in distressed position, we see here in the step 1. Step 2, we see that she has crossed from the earth realm to a, very, she is up in the sky and she is looking at us and she is questioning us. वो questions पूछ रही है हमसे और ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो अर्थ से एक स्काई में चली गई है, एक एंजेलिक रेल्म में चली गई है, बट शी इज मॉकिंग अस एंड शी इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. थर्ड स्टेप में हमने देखा कि हाउ डियर और अ रैम इज बीइंग हंटेड. ओके, it has been overpowered, quite possibly with a lot of people. This is also a stage where there is probably we are talking about Sushant, so definitely this is Sushant, जहाँ पे उनको overpower कर लिया गया है एंड उनके इनर वॉइस के बीच में एक द्वंद्व चल रहा है, एक कांस्टेंट इंटरनल फाइट भी चल रहा है, जो कि एक इंटरनल लेवल पे भी फाइट और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, एक एक्सटर्नल लेवल पे भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और फाइट चल रहा है, जहाँ पे ही इज ओवरपावर्ड एंड ही इज बीइंग अटैक्ड एंड ही इज स्ट्रगलिंग. तो एक इनर वॉइस बोल रहा है बी फियरलेस, बी बोल्ड. और जैसा कि लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बात किया था कि देयर इज अ कांस्टेंट फाइट विथ हिज solid foundations, with his moralistic value. The foundation pyramid जो लाइफ का फॉर्म होता है, जिस पे आपका पूरा लाइफ बेस्ड रहता है, उसके बीच कॉन्स्टेंटली एक फाइट चल रही थी. ठीक है, तो ये वाला बात किया है हमने. एंड देन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ ही इज constantly introspecting. He is feeling homeless. He is feeling that he has been trapped in his own house, and how he is missing the house, and he also feels that his dreams will not come to an fruition now. उनकी dreams जो है वो पूरी नहीं होगी, ऐसा उनको लग रहा है. ये दोनों stage 3 and stage 4 also felt like we have decoded the very cryptic message tweet that he had shared, where he was negotiating between the two things as the life was passing by. And this card importantly tells us, जहाँ पे एक कार्ड बोल रहा है कि don't give up, be fearless and bold, and दूसरा card is in reverse order, which is telling us that his core foundation, core values were being challenged. तो यहाँ पे ये बात है. Now we will be talking about step 5 and step 6. Let's see what is happening there. Okay, so this is step 5. So if you see, the focus has shifted from Sushant here to another person. एक दूसरा आदमी आ गया है सीन में. And this is a card of two bows, two of wands and decision making. यानी कि some planning has happened here and a decision is being made here. एक तरह का decision making हो रहा है, एक तरह का planning हो रहा है. किस चीज का planning हो रहा है? एक victory पे planning हो रहा है. Okay, अगर आप ये वाला कार्ड देखो तो यहाँ पे एक she is a lady, and again she appears to be in an angelic realm. It feels that she is in a spiritual realm. एक earthy element नहीं है, एक sky का element है, which gets a feeling that she is in a spiritual realm. And इसके ऊपर अगर ये victory का कार्ड है in reverse order, which gives us a feeling कि अगर इस चीज पे victory पाना है, अगर इस चीज पे विक्ट्री पाना है आपको, तो आपको अपने दिमाग से काम लेना होगा और बहुत ही कनिंगली सोचना होगा. Okay, you have to, if you want a victory over this thing that has happened, a lady who is in angelic realm now, and if you want a victory over it, a complete victory, not half victory, then you will have to think from your brain. You have to be very practical, and quite possibly you have to be very ruthless in your डिसीजन मेकिंग. आपको एक ऐसा डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा, एक ऐसा प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही ढंग से सोच के, वाइजली सोच के, एक रूथलेसली सोच के आपको डिसीजन लेना है, तभी यहाँ पे आपको एक फुल विक्ट्री मिलेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द fifth card, fifth step, and let's move on to the sixth step. What is happening in the sixth step? अगर आप sixth step पे देखो तो एक cunning man already, एक thinking man is in the pictures, एक thinking man आ गया है. Step 2 में मैंने already आपको बताया है, ये this thinking man had already made an entry in the second step. If you see this, this is King of Sword. Okay, so the Kingfisher in reverse order is a king of sword. I have explained to you, this is the person who thinks with his brain, who thinks with his mind and not with his heart. He is very sharp, he is very analytical, बहुत दूर का सोचता है ये. This same man has made an entry again after the second stage. In sixth stage ये आदमी again फिर से entry लेता है. We have already seen कि एक decision लेना है, एक decision has to be made, a planning has to be done in the fifth stage. तो decision making के लिए एक powerful आदमी से permission यहाँ पे लिया जा रहा है. Okay, so a thinking man is the king. I have always told you that there is a very powerful person behind the whole thing who controls everything, right? A king है ये. Kings are supposed to be powerful. Kings are supposed to be having immense power, immense money, immense control. So even if you take decision, somebody has to pass the decision. Somebody has to say, yes, this is right. This is what you have to go for. Okay. So again, in the step 5, some decision and some planning has been made to make it a complete victory of probably whatever they have done. So far, they have got only half victory. एक victory card है जो कि opposite direction में है. And so they move to the thinking man, the king of sword, take his permission for the decision that they have made, and here some transformations will happen. Both of them are in reverse order in between. So some transformation is going to happen which is not very positive. क्या transformation है हमें टैरो से पता चल रहा है. आप ये टैरो कार्ड देखो. If you know, we have always compared सुशांत with a swan. तो यहाँ पे सुशांत स्वान की फॉर्म में है, and one hooded person is standing at the back of the swan. Okay, so it feels like somebody has attacked Sushant from the back. After the planning, after the decision was made, after the things were agreed upon by the higher people who are controlling everything, Sushant feels like he was attacked. This is also the time of transformation. एक negative transformation हो रहा है, change हो रहा है, which we have always talked about, that there is a massive change that has happened in this state. In this case, even if you see the news that is coming in social media, in the mainstream media, constant changes are happening, twists and turns are happening, one after the another, one after the other, revelations are being made. At one point, Ria was in the center of the storm, and once the Ria was centered in the storm, again, the big shots were in the storm, how they were manipulating the case and the police and the government and everything. And now the things are in Supreme Court and such stuff. So constant changes are happening in this case. कार्ड का बात कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे एक प्लानिंग हो चुका है, एक डिसीजन मेकिंग हो चुका है, एंड अ नॉड हैज बीन गिवन फॉर द चेंज. दिस कार्ड इज अबाउट दैट, दिस स्टेप इज अबाउट दैट. अगर इफ यू सी द कार्ड, यहाँ पे एक इफ यू सी दिस मून इज कमिंग आउट, एंड यहाँ पे एक सन सेट हो रहा है. तो इट फील्स लाइक इट इज 13th के इवनिंग का बात है, जहाँ पे एक मून 13th के शाम का वक्त है, जहाँ पे sunset हो रहा है, and the moon is coming out, and this is a full moon. Feels a very gloomy moon, एक dark moon है, that is telling us that it is going to be a long night, it is going to be a dark night. Some strong sad vibes that something is deeply hidden in this dark night of 13th of June, ऐसा feel हो रहा है. Sun setting, moon taking over. A gloomy moon, a cloudy sky is taking over, telling us that it is going to be a long night, it is going to be a dark night. A hidden hooded man is standing behind the swan, all ready to attack or scheme and plan. Let's move on to the seventh step. What is happening here? सेवन स्टेप में अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो नाइन ऑफ बोज है, it means that nine of wands is a card of wait and watch. Okay, don't give up, wait and watch. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो तो एक आदमी घात लगा के बैठा है. He is waiting for the right time to take action, probably to attack, but he is all prepared and he is waiting for the right time. Okay, so we have already seen in the previous card that it is twilight, the sunset of 13th of June, and after that people are feels like they are into planning something. They are waiting for the right time to act, whatever they have planned, whatever they have decided. So this is the external environment, and एक बहुत ही cunning face waiting to enact a decision, एक planning को अंजाम देने के मोड में है, just waiting for the right time. एक magician है, तो एक a very strong, powerful person behind all this thing who has probably given the head go, heads up to whatever that is going to happen. एक trickery है, एक एक decisive verdict है जिसको अंजाम दिया जाएगा. Feels something like that. यहाँ पे ये वाला कार्ड जो है आर्माडिलो स्पिरिट सेट हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज, ये वाला कार्ड जो है सुशांत के कंडीशन को बता रहा है, जिसमें it is more like Sushant is feeling that it is how important it is for you to have defined boundaries, to have safe boundaries.